Look at the costumes. I don't even, oh my God, look at that. It's Agrabah? No. Is it Agrabah? It's a Cave of Wonders? Or is it Pride Rock? I didn't see Moana, so it could be. Oh, okay.
You guys might notice there is another legend here.
Wow.
A tuba player.
Oh.
A tuba player.
A real famous. Oh, he's on stage. Yeah! Stan Freese! Formerly in charge of entertainment for the Disneyland Resort.
Talk about being frozen.
In time and only.
Legend.
Legend. Legend. Former conductor of the Disneyland Band. And his beautiful wife, Tara. And they've come to support Tommy. Because he kind of, a long time ago, once upon a time, thought she would be really good in a band on Tomorrowland Terrace stage. So we've done sound check and we're getting ready. We got Todd McCool, and we've got Mike Hill bass. We got Pat Leone on drums. We got Matt Waldem on guitar over here, and there's Tommy and her John Coulter design. An original done just for the show. Pat's got a fan really working out on the sleeve of his teeth. And I can't really tell who's on keys from here. She'll announce it.
I think we should thank some of the people that are waiting for Thomas here. Does anybody have a cell phone? They might need some kind of cool cell phone wallet.
Would you get it for me? Thank you. I want a wallet.
Trying to cut down.
Thank you. You're so sweet for the magic. Then they're all going to stand in front of us. Then we won't be able to see. Hopefully not. This is Thomasina's new logo that she designed herself. Isn't that